Ooh, baby, it is 5 o'clock and I am hungry. So I'm going to show you this amazing build for a 2004 to 2008 Ford F150. And then I'm going to go to Publix and get me a sub. So this is the Morimoto Mini D2S with the G37SR shroud with a Punisher etching on it. We have aftermarket housings that are black, used, obviously. If you see all the splatter all over them, those are little chips. Why he chose used, I don't know, but that's okay. We also have the vehicle-specific RGB halo kit, one for the, what is that, turn signal location, then also the semicircle halo, which goes around the reflector bowl, which is pretty cool. This is all powered via the Morimoto Bluetooth controller and via the app, so I will, oh man, look how pretty those are. That's cool. So not only is he going to have amazing headlight output due to those MD2S projectors, but he's got all this fancy stuff, so we can make the halos any color that we want. Do a nice little red there, red. They are controlled independently, of course, because the Bluetooth controller has up to 3 channels. And we can do that one too. Oh my goodness, look at that, it's so cool. Of course, as per the norm, we have themes as well. So we can have our color shifting. Let's speed that up a little bit. Look at that. That's so cool. So that's pretty exciting. Also really exciting for this is that these are all switchback. So let's do boop. There it is. So this is his turn signal, which will be linked in with the actual turn signal bulb location. Let me see if I can pitch him on an LED bulb, but you know, whatever, this is pretty effective. And then when you turn off your turn signal, it goes right back to whatever it was doing before. That's it, man. These things are pretty dope. I'm actually really pleased with them. Not bad for a one-day build. This 13 was Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Holla at me if you need any work done. Thank you very much and have a great day.